This video is an introduction to causative verbs. Someone does something, you direct them to do it. I had my students finish their assignments. I told them to do their assignments. I didn't do any work. They did. Here's the causative verb. This can be in any verb tense. Here it's in the past tense, but it could be in the present tense or the future or in the perfect tenses. And this verb that comes after it is in the simple form, or it's an infinitive. You always use two verbs together when you're using causative verbs. The first verb is the causative verb. The second verb is in the infinitive form, or you can say it's in the simple form. Other causative verbs are make. Here I could use made, or get. If I use get in the past tense, it's got. I got my students, and then I have to use to, then the infinitive, to finish their assignments. Make, have, let, get, and help are the most common causative verbs. In this lesson, I'll show you how to use all of these, but I'll especially give attention to make, have, and get. I took my bike to a bike shop because it was broken. In all of these examples, I'll use I as the subject, and then here is the causative verb. We'll keep this in the past tense. And then here is an object pronoun. These are people. And then this verb is in the simple form. And then there's an object here. This is the object of this verb. I made them fix it. The verb make means to force. I made them fix it. I forced them to fix it. So I used whatever power of influence or any kind of pressure I put on them to do something. I made them fix it. I had them fix it. In this sentence, the verb have means to allow or permit. I gave them the opportunity to fix it. I asked them to fix it, and they did it. I got them to fix it. This means that I persuaded them somehow to fix something. Notice in this sentence there is an infinitive with to. These are all considered to be infinitives, but here you don't need to use to. If you use get, then you have to use to. I got them to fix it. I let them fix it. In this sentence, let means to allow. They perhaps wanted the opportunity to fix it, and I said yes. I let them fix it. I helped them fix it. The meaning here is clear. I gave assistance to them. I helped them fix it. If you use help, you do have the option of using to right here. I helped them to fix it, or I helped them fix it. I think it's better not to use to and just use the simple form. All of these sentences have causative verbs. Here are two simple sentences using the causative verb make. They made me do it. This is in the past tense. This is a very commonly heard sentence when someone is forced to do something. This could be a company or a group of people. And here's the negative. The modal verb can, negative, is often used with make. They can't make me do it. They can't force me to do it. In this sentence, a person remains defiant and resists the pressure that comes from the subject. They made me do it, they forced me to do it, or they can't make me do it, they can't force me to do it. Here's the causative verb have, and this is in the past tense. I had someone do the work. This is often said when you hire somebody. I had someone do the work. Or I didn't have anyone do the work. Here it's negative, and then we have to change someone to anyone. I didn't hire anyone to do the work. I didn't have anyone do the work. Over here, I hired someone to do the work. Here's the verb get as a causative verb. This is in the future tense. He'll get is he will get his friends to help him move. Notice that the infinitive here includes to. He couldn't get any of his friends to help. This would be for a past situation, and then here's the infinitive at the end. He'll get his friends to help him move. This is for the future. And then later, he couldn't get any of his friends to help.